Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Dritac wood floor repair kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner looking to maintain the pristine condition of their hardwood floors, offering a comprehensive solution for scratches, gouges, and other common damages that can detract from the beauty and value of your home, ensuring that your investment in beautiful flooring is protected and preserved for years to come. Number 5. REALINN Wood Furniture Repair Kit. Introducing the REALINN Wood Furniture Repair Kit, your all-in-one solution for fixing any wood damage. It contains everything you need to restore your furniture like a pro. This comprehensive kit includes powerful compounds to tackle all levels of damage. You can easily repair scratches, chips, cracks, and holes yourself. Perfect for all wooden surfaces, including floors, doors, and various furniture pieces. Bring new life to desks, chairs, cabinets, and more. Using this kit is incredibly easy. Apply the filler to cracks, smooth the surface, and use the markers for touch-ups or to recreate wood grain. Choose from 12 filler colors and 8 marker colors to perfectly match your wood. You can even mix colors to achieve the exact shade you need. Achieve a seamless repair by mixing the fillers. Start with lighter shades and gradually add darker ones until you get your desired wood tone. What we like. This kit offers a vast array of colors for fillers and markers, ensuring a perfect match for almost any wood tone. It also includes a comprehensive set of tools for various repair needs. If you're looking for the most versatile color matching and a complete toolkit for diverse wood repairs, this is the one for you. What people say. Perfect range of colors, very effective product. The paint went on smoothly and had excellent coverage. One coat looked good, but 2 coats gave it a beautiful, even finish. It dried faster than expected and didn't leave strong odors. After curing, the surface feels durable and resistant to scratches and foot traffic. Comprehensive kit holds everything you need. Worked great at breathing new life into older damaged cabinet doors. Number 4. Katzco 34 Wood Markers Furniture Repair Kit. Tired of unsightly scratches and scuffs on your beloved furniture? Introducing a comprehensive solution designed to make repairs quick and easy. This extensive set includes everything you need to tackle various damages. You'll find markers and wax sticks in a variety of shades to perfectly match your wood. Achieve a seamless finish every time. The included sharpener ensures your tools are always ready for precise application, blending in flawlessly with the original finish. From floors and tables to desks and bedposts, this kit is your go-to for restoring the beauty of all your wooden items. It's ideal for everyday touch-ups and more significant repairs. Get professional-looking results without the hassle or expense. Keep your furniture looking its best with this easy-to-use and highly effective repair kit. What we like. This option provides a convenient combination of repair markers and wax sticks, along with a sharpener for precise application. It's a generous set designed for quick touch-ups and cover-ups. If you need a straightforward solution for minor scratches and scuffs on furniture and floors, and appreciate the convenience of an all-in-one sharpener, consider this kit. What people say. These wood filler paints are beyond amazing. I mixed mahogany with black to match our wood. The cabinets look beautiful. We needed a lot of wood filler paint and there's a lot in the tubes. Love the small brushes too. The furniture markers work great. My advice upon marking an area is to use your finger immediately to wipe over it. If you don't, it will usually look darker than the furniture color. These instantly worked and you are able to mix the paints to match your item perfectly. Number 3. Wood Scratch Repair Kit, 18 Color Wood Fillers. Introducing our comprehensive Wood Scratch Repair Kit. It's designed to easily fix scratches, cracks, and discoloration on a variety of wood surfaces in your home. This kit provides everything you need for repairs. It includes wood putty, a scraper, brush, and sandpaper for a hassle-free experience. Choose from 18 different wood filler colors to perfectly match your existing wood tones. You can even mix them to achieve the exact shade you need. Using it is incredibly easy. Just apply the filler, scrape away the excess, and let it dry. It's a quick way to save money on professional repairs. This professional 3-in-1 kit is excellent for fixing scratches on all your wood floors and furniture. From beds to cabinets and tables, it handles it all. Don't let damage ruin your wood. This kit is your go-to solution for restoring the beauty of your hardwood, laminate, and other wood items. What we like. This kit boasts 18 distinct wood filler colors, making it suitable for a wide range of wood types and finishes, including vinyl and laminate. It's designed as a professional 3-in-1 solution for various repairs. If you need a solution that works across multiple surfaces and offers a good selection of colors for general wood repair, this is a solid choice. What people say. It comes with a myriad of paint colors, brushes, sanding pad, spatulas and filler for deeper holes. The paint has a solid finish that seems very enduring. This is an amazing kit. Our laminate floor had water damage that removed the color. Was able to match the color perfectly, and now we can hardly tell where the damage was. Very easy to use. Number 2. Dritac Wood Floor Repair Kit. Tired of noisy floors? Squeaks often happen when there's a gap between your flooring and the subfloor. This kit is designed to fix that problem by bonding the layers together and filling any gaps. You won't have to wait around for repairs to set. Once the adhesive is applied, your floor is ready to be walked on immediately. It's a fast and easy solution for noisy floors. Everything you need for a successful repair is included. The kit comes with strong adhesive, a syringe assembly, metal tips, drill bits, and dowels. No need to hunt for extra parts. Our kit uses small drill bits, creating smaller holes for application. This makes the repair less noticeable compared to other methods. You can easily cover the hole afterward for a seamless finish. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this kit is simple to use. Just draw the adhesive into the syringe and apply it through drilled holes where needed. What we like. This product is specifically engineered to address the common issue of pops and squeaks in engineered flooring by bonding the floor layers together. It offers a quick and convenient solution that doesn't require weighing down surfaces. If you're dealing with squeaky engineered floors and need a targeted, fast-acting adhesive, this is the ideal repair kit for you. What people say. This product works, and it works excellent. It feels like it is a glue that also expands with time to fully fill the gap. In the end, there is no difference between the spots that I fixed and the original floors that never had a problem. The stuff is super thick. Coating inside the syringe with a thin layer of Vaseline makes a day and night difference. It is important to let gravity do the work on this super dense glue. Leaving it alone for 24 hours achieved A+ results. The product works really well. For my 2-foot by 5-foot area with about 10 spots to fill, the adhesive in the kit was enough, with very little left. Number 1. Fix-A-Floor Loose Tile Repair Adhesive, 2-pack. Tired of loose tiles or creaky floors? Our extra strength formula is designed to rebond them securely. You can finally fix your floors without costly removal or replacement. Achieve professional results with ease. The included syringe applicator and trimmable nozzle give you complete control for a clean, seamless finish. It's a straightforward process for anyone to use. This versatile adhesive is compatible with all subfloor materials. It provides a reliable repair solution for a wide array of flooring types, blending seamlessly with your existing floors. Our specially formulated adhesive creates a permanent bond that won't dry out or crack over time. Enjoy a lasting repair that keeps your floors looking great. Designed for easy DIY use, you can perform repairs yourself with simple tools. Just drill, fill, and enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. Trust in the quality and reliability of a product proudly manufactured in the United States. It represents American innovation and craftsmanship for top-tier floor repairs. What we like. With an extra strength formula and universal application, this adhesive is designed to rebond loose tiles, stone, marble, and creaky wood floors effectively. It's a DIY-friendly solution that provides a permanent bond without drying or cracking. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use adhesive for a variety of flooring types, including wood floors with loose spots, this is an excellent option. What people say. Fix-A-Flood is a great product and it does work as advertised. I fixed about 7 24 inches by 24 inches tiles. While the middle of the tiles were stable, the sides were loose in some areas and Fix-A-Floor solved the problem. I used the syringe as it worked better for me on narrow grout line. It is great for those tiles that come loose. No more noise when walking on bathroom floor. Beats ripping out whole floor. Easy to use, and solved a problem with my tile that prevented me from having to pull out tiles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.